Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries ProtoTRAK 3-axis bed type CNC milling machine model DPM-SX2P, serial number 153DK122. This machine was new in 2015 and we are running it. Machine has a SMX ProtoTRAK control. Right now he was moving the head up and down, which is programmable. Also, you have a programmable spindle speed up to 5,000 RPM. He's moving the quill. When you move the quill, it moves the Z-axis position also on the screen. You have a 9x49 table with 31 inches of X travel, 16 inches of Y in and out, and 23.5 inches of Z up and down. That's 2,000 RPM. Machine is very quiet. This machine has an R8 spindle with a torque right air actuated power drawbar. That's the drawbar rattling around. Going into low gear. That's 200 RPM. 450 in the low. Again, you do have that torque right power drawbar. You have the QUILL scale. You have the X-axis travel. You also can use this machine with hand wheels. Machine has advanced features in the control. Moving the X by hand, the Y by hand. You saw him move the quill before, and you saw him move the Z up and down through power. Hey, you know what? I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.